In this video, I will show you how to get your Spotify Wrapped. Now, this is actually very easy, so let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open your Spotify app, and usually it already pops up in your screen. As you can see, here I can see Wrapped, and here I can rewatch my Wrapped. I can see my podcasts, you can tap on this, let's go, and now I will hear my Wrapped. But in some cases, it will not pop up. Now, this is actually very easy to fix. All you need to do is to go to a specific browser like Safari or Google and then search for Wrapped 24. So in this case it's 24, but in your case it's maybe 25 or 26 maybe. But all you need to do is to type Wrapped and then a specific year and then tap on the first link. And as you can see, it will open directly in your app. So that is basically how you can watch your Spotify Wrapped of a specific year. I hope this video is helpful, and if this was the case, I would highly appreciate it if you can subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.